Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the lights from Lasfit that I installed on my cars and also the floor mats that is installed on the 4Runner. So come on, let's begin. All right, so first, we're going to talk about the turn signal light. These are switchbacks and they run as your DRLs and your turn signal. These are the T3 model and these are intense, so they're bright, very bright, and yeah, I really like them. um yeah, and then with the old one that I've been using, I never had issues with the older ones, the older switchback that I have on this one, and those are good also. Uh, yeah, but this one, they have like an upgraded heat sink, basically the ceramic top in there that helps with the heat dissipation. And yeah, so I never had any issues like long-term use on the older ones. Those are very good. Never had an issue, no hyper flashing. These are basically, they have a built-in CAN bus, so they have built-in resistor. So they will work, they will not hyper flash at all. So yeah, so I kind of try it like leaving them on hazard on both on hazard and like 5 minutes and no hyper flashing. So, and when you're using the turn signal, you're not gonna turn on your turn signal like 5 minutes, right? So yeah, so no hyper flashing on that one. That's one good thing. So second, on this RAV4, we have the LA Plus, or no, LS Plus Lasfit fog lights on our RAV4. These are nice. They are very bright. I like them. They're very helpful when you are driving in rain, fog, back roads. These are nice. I'm happy. Now that this car is being driven by my wife, I feel comfortable that she will be safe. Yeah. So now let's talk about the rear turn signal, which will be this one in here. And this are Lasfit also. And this one, they're not the T3. The T3, I installed the turn signal T3 on the 4Runner. These are bright also, and yeah, I'm kind of like worried that people behind you will be complaining, especially like if you're in the traffic light and you have your turn signal on, like probably I'm blinding those people behind me. But never had any someone complain about it or someone honk about it. But yeah, so these are nice also. And now let's proceed with the floor mats. All right, so here are the floor mats. So with the Lasfit floor mats, never had an issue on them. The dirt is contained on the mat itself, so no issues. Uh, Even it's raining here in Washington State, it keeps the dirt away. Basically, it's just being contained here, as we can check here. So not wet at all. So if you can see that, it's a little dark, but yeah. So some little dirt there. That dirt is there already when I install this, but yeah, so it's not getting wet in there when I stepped in with my shoes wet. So yeah, so they're nice. So if you like to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can get the discount. I'll put the link for the discount So yeah, these are nice. I'll show you the one in the passenger side. And yeah, with this one, it's a little dirty. Did not clean this. The front one, I used that one out, or I cleaned it like 2 weeks ago. But the rear, basically, floor mat starts here. We check the bottom here. It's not dirty, not wet, not getting wet. But yeah, so overall, sorry, did not clean the back, but just to show you how the dirt is being contained on the floor mats. So these are good quality floor mats. They're not slippery at all. They're very nice. So back on the lights. Again, happy with the lights. Turn signal. My reverse lights are also from Lasfit, I think. I'm not sure if I replaced this already, but I think I did. I'm just not sure. Probably the brake lights. But yeah, so but with this one, for sure, I have Lasfit in here as the reverse light on the RAV4. Again, good quality products. They're lasting longer than you might expect. Again, very happy. So guys, yeah, if you want to purchase these lights, I'll put the link. I'm also gonna have the link of the video, the install videos of these lights that I have, so that you can watch them, like the on-road review, or the on-road basically look, the footage when I'm using them on the road. But yeah, these are very nice and satisfying. Good deal. Yeah, so that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider unsubscribing. Thank you for watching.